Good morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our daily What Sold video. These are the postcards that sold on March 21st. Still have some residual end and relist sales, and I fully expect this number to keep dropping from where it has been. But yesterday, March 21st, had 20 orders on eBay for $352 and had one order on Hip for, it was like $14.94, something like that. So 21 orders, $366. So pretty good day. This is an Easter postcard, Easter greetings, fantasy dressed chick as sailor, egg boat, 1910s. And that sold for $11.49. Next, Chambersburg, Pennsylvania. This is the Cumberland Valley Railroad CVRR station. Real photo. Thing I did not work into the title. See right diagonal from my inset, there's a little CL right there. That's Clyde Laughlin. I did a little video series thing on him. So anyway, this sold for $54.99, and Julie Norman, she did a nice shout out for me on her channel yesterday or today. First, thank you for that, and second, I believe this is the exact same postcard that you showed in one of your videos, on one of your haul videos. That sparked me to do the artist series on Clyde Laughlin. So anyway, $54.99 for that card. Let me see if there's anything on the back of interest. There's that. Okay, next. This is Naples, Maine, Church Cabins Beach real photo. I believe this came from the York Postcard Show. Paid 80 cents for it and sold for $22.99. Actually, it may have come from the auction, live auction thing I did a video on a couple months ago. I think that's where it came from. $22.99 for that. This is Blue Eye Perch Fish, Catalina Island, 1916 real photo. PV Rees Avalon. So there's the photographer's information. Underwater real photo, $18 best offer. Same buyer bought this one. Scorpion Fish, Catalina Island, 1916. Same information. There's that, and sold for $18 on a best offer also. This is Manitoba, Canada. Brandon Gray House, Bus Depot, Maxwell House Grill, 1950s. So there's that information. $14 on a best offer. It is going back to Canada. Next, it's been up for quite a while because I don't put old in front of my titles anymore, and I definitely don't use the background. So this is probably 8+ years old. Postcard, South Dakota Badlands National Park, Dillon Pass, Kennedy. Photo. It's a real photo. And that sold for $5 on a best offer. This is a Scott 916 first day cover, 1943 Occupied Nations, Greece. It's a Ferryman cachet. Ferryman is a company that did this on purpose. They would print up these blank pieces of paper, put the stamp on it, and then take it to the post office on the first day of issue and sell these as like collectibles. Can't remember exactly where I got it, but I had a whole big stack of these, and they keep selling about once every 4 or 5 months. $17 for that. This is Polson, Montana, and it's the Polson Bay Flathead Indian Reservation real photo. So there's a view of the town or the reservation. $26 on a best offer. Look how roached out this card is. This is Palestine, Texas, Old Mill Inn, 1940s roll photo. I mean, that is just like water damage, nastiness right there. Probably would have been a $25+ card. But because of the damage, I took a $3 best offer. I think I only had it up for $3.99. Next we have Ridgefield, Connecticut, the Green Doors Hotel Motel swimming pool. I don't think that's a swimming pool. It is a swimming pool. That is a pond, isn't it? Sure does look like a pond. Anyway, $5 best offer. Went to the same buyer as that card. And this is an 1896 advertising postal card, Fort Worth, Texas, P.T. Andrew and Company, Lillard Milling, Decatur. So this ad card is going to Decatur, and looks like it's an order for Bran. Okay, interesting. $8 on a best offer. This is Greetings from Mount Jewett, Pennsylvania, Horse Sleigh Snow, circa 1906. And that went for $8.99. Next, Redding, California, Market Street, 1940s view, Texaco, movie theater, real photo. So there's the movie theater. Lots of keywords if you wanted them in there. And there's the Texaco. And that sold for $15 on the best offer. Martha's Vineyard, Massachusetts, Oak Bluffs Methodist Tabernacle, 1907. And $8.99 for that. Asbury Park, New Jersey, amusement area, Swan Ride U pedal boats. And that sold for $17.99. Walt Disney Ice Capades of 1950, Toy Shop, Mickey, Minnie, Dumbo, Pluto. And that sold for $9.99. Farmville, Virginia, Botany Field Class State Normal School, 1908. And I took a best offer of $15 on that card. And I believe I got this at the last Postcard Club meeting. Probably paid $4 for it, $3.50, something like that. New Orleans, Louisiana. That's the Grandstand Fairgrounds Horse Race, 1920s. And that sold for $11.99. Norfolk, Virginia, St. Mary's Catholic Church, 1910s. And that sold for $6.99. Come on, computer. There we go. This is Walt Disney World, Florida, Tencennial, 10th year parade Mickey Mouse. There's that, and that sold for $19.74. I usually don't get that much out of Disney World cards unless it's the pre-opening artist sketch ones. So I was pretty pleased with this one. You just don't see this card very often. And that sold again $19.74. San Diego, California, Ramona's Marriage Place, real photo. Another place I really don't sell a whole bunch of it's not like the Niagara Falls of California, but there are a lot of postcards from Ramona's Marriage Place. I don't think they sell for all that much, but $6.99 for that card. And over on HIP, I had one order. This is Coney Island, New York studio, 2 men biplane airplane prop real photo, RPPC. Has some damage across the top, but a studio prop photo, known location, $14.94. I got it at either the Postcard Club meeting, or I got this at the out of the online auction I did. So anyway, $14.94. So again, a good day. Nice residual sales from End and Relist. I have about 150 offers that I need to send, so hopefully kick the sales up again for tomorrow. Okay, that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a good day.